Hello friends, good morning to everyone. First of all, my name is Yash Mukesh Nikam. I am studying in 10th standard. I want to say about anaerobic respiration. Uh, there are two steps in the anaerobic respiration. First is glycolysis. This is common in aerobic and anaerobic respiration. First one is glucose enters cells from blood through facilitated diffusion. Glycolysis breaking sugar means glucose into two halves. It is called uric acid or pyruvate. Occurs in cytosol of cells. It produces only 2 ATP molecules. These all organisms do glycolysis. This is some image of glycolysis process. So second one is fermentation. Fermentation occurs when there is no oxygen, means in the absence of oxygen. There are two types of fermentation. First one is lactic acid and second one is alcohol fermentation. So first one, lactic acid. The two pyruvic acid molecules are changed into two lactic acid molecules in human muscle cells and some bacteria. In alcohol fermentation, the two pyruvic acid molecules are changed into two ethyl alcohol molecule and CO2 is released. Some bacteria and the yeast perform fermentation, and using the baking soda and the brewing, the fermentation is occurs. In both type of fermentation means anaerobic. In the both type of fermentation means in the lactic and alcohol fermentation, only 2 ATP molecules are made out of each glucose molecule when the pyruvic acid is made, and the fermentation is very inefficient. This is the diagram of process of fermentation. The cellular respiration summary means what we learned that I will say in short. The two type of cellular respiration. First is aerobic, with oxygen present, means in which the oxygen is present, and second one is anaerobic, which is in absence of oxygen. There are two types in anaerobic respiration, that is the lactic acid fermentation and alcohol fermentation. In short, the lactic acid creates 2 ATP of a molecule from the glucose and it creates lactic acid. In the alcohol, it creates 2 molecules of ATP from the one glucose and creates ethyl alcohol and CO2. So we see some difference in anaerobic and aerobic. So aerobic, it is using oxygen, means in presence of oxygen. It occurs in mitochondria. It produces 38 ATP molecules from a sugar or from one molecule of glucose. Some single cell and all multiple organisms perform. So there is anaerobic. It is not using oxygen, means the absence in oxygen. It is occurs in cytosols. It produces only 2 molecules from one sugar molecule or from one glucose molecule. It is only a single cell organism are performed. So who do anaerobic respiration? The muscle cells also do, our muscle cells also do anaerobic respiration. You are going to exercise a group of muscles in your body. In order for your muscle cells or any other cells to function properly, they must have energy, ATP, and which is provided by a series of complex chemical reactions. You should really have some knowledge of this energy releasing pathway. Means here the muscle cells, when we do exercise or a physical work, then the muscle cells do anaerobic respiration and it forms less amount of energy, and the muscles get tired and we get tired in this respiration. So thank you to everyone.